Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, we're going to need to lift the hood just a bit in order for us to reach this inside piece, because the tint covers up to the inside underneath the hood. So we need the hood just a little bit open to clean the inside. So apply Slip Solution onto the headlight. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start with the installation, apply Slip Solution onto the headlight lens and apply Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film. And just place the film to the headlight, and first start off by aligning it to this section of the headlight. So it should match there, and just place it there. So first we're going to start by aligning the film to this edge. So to help it tack down faster and aligning it, apply Tack Solution, align it, make sure it's aligned to the edge. That should be good. And then apply Tack Solution on top, and then tack it down to secure it in position. So now that we finished securing this section, now the next step is to stretch the film until you reach it to this edge. So to stretch the film, apply Slip Solution to the headlight, and on the adhesive side of the film, place it back down and do a light stretch until you reach it to the edge here. So now that we have it stretched to this edge, apply Tack Solution to start securing this section first. So secure this whole panel. So now that this section is secured, now we can finish off with the rest. So dry this area, that way we have better grip, and just stretch it to reach to the edge. So now that should be perfect. Lift the film carefully and start by applying Tack Solution on top of the film as well, and just tack it all down. And all these small fingers, we would remove them after we finish placing the film. So first we just need to secure it to this edge. And as you can see, the tint does go inside here, so we need this hood a little bit open in order to cover and tack down the top section. Okay, and now to remove these fingers that you have underneath here and any fingers that you may have on top, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution on the fingers, apply heat to shrink the fingers, and then after we finish applying heat, we're going to wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee to tack them down. So shrink them side to side. Let it cool off and apply Tack Solution one more time, and just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start tacking it down. And you just rinse and repeat this whole process until you're able to remove all the fingers. And just continue, like I said, rinse and repeat until you remove all the fingers. And everything should look smooth, no fingers anymore on the top or the bottom. And then now the last thing to do, pulse heat the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and it sticks more faster to the headlight. Okay, so to pulse heat, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution onto the headlight lens. Once you finish applying Tack Solution, we're going to apply heat all around the film. So make sure you apply it on the edges. That way we secure the edges, and also everywhere in the middle section here, and then the edge again, and then anywhere where you feel that the film is still not secured properly, just in case, to help it tack down faster. And then with our microfiber towel, we're just going to apply a little bit of pressure to help it tack down, secure it, and just helping the adhesive do its job on tacking down to the headlight. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Nissan Sentra. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.